Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Ducati DesertX Rally. Ducati has once again captured the imagination of adventure enthusiasts worldwide with the introduction of the 2025 DesertX Rally. This new model represents Ducati's commitment to pushing boundaries in the adventure motorcycle segment, combining rugged off-road capabilities with Italian craftsmanship and advanced technology. Designed to excel in the most challenging terrains, the DesertX Rally promises an exhilarating riding experience that blends performance, versatility, and distinctive Ducati styling. Innovative design and engineering. The 2025 Ducati DesertX Rally boasts a purposeful and aggressive design that reflects its off-road prowess. Built on a robust trellis frame, the bike features a muscular stance complemented by a high-mounted rally-inspired seat and minimalist bodywork. The DesertX Rally is equipped with a robust skid plate, handguards, and LED lighting for enhanced visibility. Its long-travel suspension system with adjustable components ensures superior handling and stability on rough trails, while lightweight spoke wheels shod with dual-purpose tires provide optimal traction in diverse conditions. Powerful performance. At the heart of the DesertX Rally lies Ducati's proven Testastretta V-twin engine, now tuned for off-road adventures. Displacing approximately 1,200 cubic centimeters, the engine delivers robust torque and responsive power, producing around 150 horsepower and 130 Newton-meters of torque. Coupled with a precise 6-speed gearbox and Ducati's advanced traction control system, the DesertX Rally offers precise throttle response and smooth power delivery across varying terrain. Riders can engage multiple riding modes, including off-road, enduro, and sport, to tailor the bike's performance characteristics to their preferences and riding conditions. Advanced technology and connectivity. Ducati has integrated cutting-edge technology into the 2025 DesertX Rally to enhance the rider experience and connectivity. A high-resolution TFT display provides riders with clear visibility of essential information, such as speed, gear position, and navigation prompts. The display supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to manage calls, music, and navigation apps directly from the bike's interface. The DesertX Rally also features Ducati's innovative Ducati Connect app, enabling riders to access ride data, track maintenance schedules, and receive alerts for service reminders and bike diagnostics. Comfort and versatility. Designed for comfort and versatility, the Ducati DesertX Rally offers a spacious and adjustable riding position with ergonomically optimized controls. The bike features heated grips, a height-adjustable seat, and an optional ergonomic package to enhance rider comfort during long-distance journeys. Ample storage options and integrated luggage mounts accommodate gear and provisions for extended off-road adventures. The DesertX Rally's advanced suspension system with long-travel components ensures superior ride quality and comfort, providing confidence and control over challenging terrain. Market impact and availability. The launch of the 2025 Ducati DesertX Rally has sparked enthusiasm among adventure motorcycle enthusiasts globally. Scheduled for release in major markets, the DesertX Rally is expected to appeal to riders seeking a blend of performance, durability, and Italian flair in an adventure motorcycle. With its exclusive rally-inspired design and comprehensive features, the DesertX Rally aims to elevate Ducati's presence in the adventure touring segment, setting new benchmarks for off-road capability, technology, and design in 2025 and beyond. Conclusion. The 2025 Ducati DesertX Rally exemplifies Ducati's dedication to innovation and excellence in adventure motorcycles, offering riders a thrilling combination of performance, technology, and distinctive Italian design. As Ducati expands its adventure motorcycle lineup, the DesertX Rally stands out as a testament to the brand's heritage of craftsmanship and engineering prowess. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and rugged capabilities, the DesertX Rally invites riders to embark on extraordinary adventures with confidence and style, ensuring unforgettable experiences on and off the beaten path.